guys, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and I've been pretty much drawing a lot of animals lately and I wanted to continue that. So today we're going to be drawing a penguin. It's going to be super easy and fun, so please join me. Alright guys, so let's get started drawing the penguin. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the nose. So the top of the nose is going to be flat. We're going to draw a horizontal line. This is going to be the top of the nose. And then from here we're going to come down a little bit on both sides. And then we're going to come to a point right over here, and then same thing on this side. That's the nose.
So cute.
And then we're going to draw the inside part of the penguin that's usually white first. So what we're going to do is we're going to come around as if we're drawing a rainbow. We're going to come up and around, and the only difference is we're going to continue going on this side past the nose, and then we're just going to curve it in. And what we did on this side, we're going to continue on the other side.
Okay.
Alright, and if it helps, we could draw the eyes right now too. Just so you guys could see it. The eyes are going to be like a frown or a rainbow. Those are the eyes of the penguin. And then we're going to continue with the body.
Yay!
So from this point, I'm going to do the same thing. Like curve it out. I'm going to curve it out and down. So we're going to come down. We're going to curve it out a little bit just so he's a little round and fluffy. And at the bottom, I'm going to stop here because I want to draw a foot, and because I'm drawing with marker, I can't erase anything. So I'm going to stop there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue what I did here on the side.
Great!
And the same thing, I stopped here just so I know my foot's going here, and then I'll continue the line later. So that's the inside body of the penguin, and then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the arms next. So for the arms, I'm going to come from this point, I'm going to come out a little bit, and let's just say right here, right? So it's almost like I went right across, right there. We're going to draw the arm, and the arm is going to look like a thumb. So it's going to look kind of like this. It's going to come out and back down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. I'm going to come out. I'm gonna scoop it up just a little bit, and then I'm gonna round it down, and I'm gonna stop right there so we could continue the body.
Super.
So it kind of looks like a thumb, and then I'm gonna copy the same. So then from there, I'm also gonna continue the body just like I did. So I'm gonna round it out. I'm gonna come down. I'm gonna round it out. I'm gonna stop at the same spot again, just so I know where my foot's going. Same thing on this side. So for the foot, we're gonna draw something that looks like a hook first. So what I mean by that is that we're gonna come down, we're gonna round it, and then we're gonna come up. Kind of looks like a hook, right? But then from there, we're gonna draw a hill, a bigger hill, right? So we have two toes, and then we're gonna draw one more toe. So we're gonna make another hill, and then we're gonna connect it to the body.
Amazing.
So that's his foot, and then we're gonna copy the same thing. It's gonna have three toes, but at this time, we're gonna see the bottom of the foot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw something that looks like a heart to start off. So I'm gonna come from here, I'm gonna make a loop. I'm going to round it out at the bottom as if I was going to draw a heart, right? This kind of looks like I was drawing a heart. But the space in between is for that third middle toe. So then I'm just going to come up here and then come back down. And there we have his foot.
Beautiful.
You can see like the bottom of his foot. And then what I'm just going to do is I'm going to continue the lines. And there we have his body. So the only thing we're missing is his or her head. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw a bow as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a bow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw two commas or two curves. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve like this. Right? It looks like a curve. And then I'm going to draw another one, face it the other way. And then I'll just draw two horizontal lines connecting it. And then for the bow part, I'm going to draw two things that look like hearts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out. I'm going to draw a heart. I'm going to loop it back in. have the side of the bow, and then I'm going to draw the other side of the bow same way. I'm going to draw a heart. I'm going to come out, loop it in, and then come back down. There we have a bow. So I know
that's nice.
it might be a little confusing, but it helps because I'm drawing with marker. So I drew the bow first, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with the head. So the same curve or little triangle point that I made, I'm going to continue. And I'm going to go up and around. And I'm just going to make sure I don't go through the bow. And I'm going to pretend like I'm continuing that. And I'm just going to go around. Or I could just start from this point too. I could go like this, wrap around, and try to meet the bow at the same point. And there we have it. There we have our penguin. Nice and round and fluffy and cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to color it in the traditional colors, probably black and white. But for you guys, you could choose whatever color you want. Maybe you want to do a pink one, a blue one, whatever you guys prefer. So right now what we're going to do is we're just going to fast forward as I colored. So hope you guys found it easy.
Yay!
Alright guys, so there we have it. I hope you guys found it easy.
Yes.
I did different colors. I did like a little patch on his foot just to like add some details. But I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys had fun. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.